We're back without the cottage cheese, but with a new quick and easy meal prep. This egg roll in a bowl is one of those recipes that takes around 10 minutes to make, is super filling, great for volume eating, and actually tastes good. So let's jump right into it. Start this one with a large stovetop pan and 1 pound of your choice lean meat. I'm using ground chicken today, but lean ground beef, turkey, and pork all work great too. All you need to do from here is to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil into your pan and brown whatever meat you're using over medium heat. As it's browning, add in a tablespoon of minced garlic, half a chopped up sweet onion, and a little pepper. Keep it moving and do your best to break your meat up as small as possible. This should take around 5 to 7 minutes. Quick tip here. If you don't like garlic or onion, don't add them. Alternatively, if you want something else like chopped up mushrooms in it, you could add those in. Once brown, turn your burner down to low heat. Add in a bag of coleslaw mix, 4 ounces of shredded carrots, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 ounces of a low sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and for even more flavor, although not needed, 2 tablespoons of sweet and sour, hoisin, teriyaki, or oyster sauce. I'll make sure to put the calorie breakdown with and without this on the website, which is always linked up here or below in the description with metric conversions. Give those a mix and let everything cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's as tender as you want it to be, you can optionally add in some chopped up green onion, sesame seeds, and a little hot sauce for a spicy egg roll bowl. Sometimes I'll add in a couple of chopped up hard-boiled eggs too. In the end, it should look like this. Couple of tips for this one. Number 1, I usually make 2 servings out of this. The first serving I'll eat immediately, and the next one will be the following day. To reheat it, depending on my schedule, I'll either throw it in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds at a time, mix and repeat until hot enough, or mix it around over low heat on the stovetop. And 2, it's pretty low carb. If you want it more macro balanced, you can throw in some rice or even use the mix in a wrap for an extra large egg roll. Speaking of servings, the winner of our last Testing Your Guesstimating was, bang, you win a shaker or shirt. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, what do you think this weighs in grams? 1 guess per person, and the winner gets a shaker or shirt. With that said, thank you all for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already, so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs, and of course, stay healthy. It's so good.